Feeling that midday brain fog or constant irritation from too much screen time? Here's a quick clinical technique you can use right now. Close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, counting to 4 as you inhale, counting for 4 and exhaling for 4. Now slowly open your eyes and name 5 things you can see around you that are not on a screen. And this simple exercise helps you reset your nervous system and pulls your brain out of a digital overwhelm. It's a small step towards fighting digital burnout. And if you know any other exercise than this, then please mention in the comments for a complete guide on how to reclaim your focus and mental well-being in 2026. Watch my full video. Link in the bio.